Control to Phoenix. Final launch sequence checks are complete. Good luck.
Everybody ready to make some history?
Always am.
I think I forgot something.
What?
I don't know. It's probably nothing.
Begin ignition sequence. $20.
Oh, God.
19.
Now I remember.
18.
What?
Where is
17.
it?
What?
16.
We can't lift off without it.
15,
Jordy, we've got to abort.
14.
No! No, wait, I
13,
found it!
12. 11. 10. 9. 8.
Let's
7,
rock and roll!
6.
The final frontier makes the average nigga wonder why they do a couple of records and then they go up under. Trying to copy rap, but real just can't be duplicated. Motherfuckers making pussy shit, so I come in and fade it. Slap the niggas like bitches if they there to talk back. Put my foot so deep in the ass they have a hole and not a crack. The shit just makes a nigga laugh. Cause niggas be coming to me asking me why did I leave Versace Nike in the ass. I tell them I had to do it, it was part of the plan to try to stop the booze jacking off by the hand. Put whack records in the make by using R&B fucking singers in the goddamn breaks. Trying to go commercial but they started out street. That's the reason why they're still driving their 2 feet, thinking they get this rinse flow, but singing and dancing don't go with the format that I'll
Ignore it! We'll be fine. Prepare first stage. Shut down and separation on my mark. 3, 2, 1, mark!